By 2027, the familiar 1D barcode will give way to the GS1 Digital Link QR code, a single, smarter code that connects every product to richer digital information. For brands, this shift can seem overwhelming. Every product needs a unique GS1 Digital Link URL, properly generated, configured, and maintained, while keeping up with compliance and scale. That's where Qliktag comes in. The Qliktag GS1 Digital Link Platform helps you automatically generate and manage unique digital link URLs for your entire catalog, all compliant with GS1 standards. The built-in resolver makes one QR code capable of routing to multiple destinations, from consumer experiences to compliance data. Whether you manage thousands of product models, batches, millions of serial items, or just a few products, Qliktag is built for scalability. With flexible tools, cloud-based management, and enterprise-grade security, you can future-proof your products and unlock new opportunities in supply chain visibility, compliance, and consumer engagement. A single code on the packaging, limitless information, many experiences and possibilities.